Okay, for this software training, you need to have Linux subsystem installed in your Windows PC. So no matter what, whether you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10, you need to install this one. It's called subsystem for Windows Linux. To enable this feature, first you need to go and turn on your system features. For this one, you can type turn Windows features on or off. This software, if you go and like search for this, and then you have to hit enter. Uh, and then from there you have to search for these few. First, you have to enable virtual machine platform, hypervision platform, those two, and then you have to enable Windows subsystem for Linux. So these three features you need to enable in order to work Linux subsystem properly in your system. And then you have to click OK. And it will take some time if you are doing this one for the very first time. For the installation, it will ask you to reboot the PC. So you have to reboot the PC in order to apply those settings. After that, you have to go into the Microsoft Store and search for Store in here. In the Microsoft Store, sometimes it will give you an error because of the VPN. If you see some sort of error, you have to turn off your VPN and then go into the proxy settings, and then from there you have to enable automatic detection of proxy, and then use the script disable use proxy saver. If there's something like this, turn it off and then save. And after that, if you go into the Microsoft Store, you will say yes, it should work. Okay, once you are here, now you have to search for Ubuntu from here. So here I do have Ubuntu, and see, then I will click on Ubuntu without any other software version. We go with the main version, and now I have the button called install. I will click on install. Now you will see it's starting to download. Necessary files will now downloaded for the Ubuntu subsystem, WSL subsystem, and then it takes few minutes for the installation as well. And now, as you can see, the installation is finished. I can go ahead and like click open. When I click open, it should pop up this the CMD prompt, and now you can see installing. It may take few minutes, so you have to wait till this installation finished. So for more information regarding how to install this WS subsystem for Linux, you can go and search for WSL2 in Linux, because in WXL2 version we do have the capability of like going with the GUI interfaces. Otherwise, we will have to set those things manually in the Bash RC. So here you can see install WSL Microsoft Learn. You can like follow along this installation scripts as well. If you're failing, you can like use command prompt for the installation as well. No matter what, both ways are same. The easiest way is to go with Microsoft Store. For more information, you can go into this link. I will paste it in the following description section. You can like click over there and like go into the website and check for all the necessary information. If you encounter an error or something when you are installing, you can go over there and try to fix the issue. So right now it's asking me a username for the WXL subsystem. This one I will give a name. Give a simple name. You don't need to give a more complex name. I will type 03 something, and then it should ask me to enter a password. For this password also, you don't need to put a more complex password. Just type simple password which you can remember, because you need to keep in your mind this password. You have to keep in your mind, and then you have to retype the password again, the same password. After that, you'll say installation successful. You can see now installation is successful. So now I have to wait till this process finish. Okay, now the subsystem for Linux or Windows subsystem for Linux WSL is installed in your PC correctly. To check this installation, we can type sudo apt-get update and hit enter. So now it should ask me the password. For this one, you have to type the same exact password which you typed earlier. Now you can see it's connecting to the Ubuntu servers and like downloading the necessary upgrades for the Ubuntu subsystem. I have to keep installing these updates. That means I do have the connection between the Ubuntu servers with my installation. So I'm good to go.